Hello guys, we are back with the fourth episode of our tutorial, and yeah, fourth episode, yay! How do you guys like fourth episode? So, today's episode is going to be on multiple commands. Multiple commands is just making different commands, and oh no, we're not gonna do multiple commands. I lied, yes. Okay, so we're gonna do something a lot simpler. We're gonna do random location. We already covered up locations, so we're gonna do random locations today. Multiple commands is on the next episode. So today, random location. So today's plugin is going to be like I said, random locations. It'll be inside of command, and every time the player does, my bad, I just burped. Every time the player does this command, random location, it will teleport them to a random location. I don't know why I stumbled on that. So okay, well, first thing, I want to clear something up, because in the last episode we did event handlers, and the event handler actually, it wasn't registered because I forgot to register the events, and when I said the spawn override, it was complete bullshit, and I just wanted to get it off my chest. So I went ahead and registered the events myself, because you don't understand how many attempts it took me to make this video without making any because I hope you guys understand that English isn't my first language, and I'm trying to explain the best I can. In English, I can say it in Korean, I can say it in Filipino just fine, Tagalog, whatever. But English isn't my first language. So that's that. So if someone types in /random locations and they are not a player, then it will send them this and it will return true. And let me see. To make a random location, we're going to do integer random rx will equal to random, and we're going to make a math operator dot random. That's what it was, and we're going to times that by a random number. Yay. Why am I getting there? Oh, double. Okay, so we're just gonna cast this as an int. We're gonna integer. Cast this as an int. Perfect. I will explain casting. I don't want to explain casting now because it'll be too much to wrap around your head. So I'll make a tutorial. Then the next episode will be a tutorial that loops around casting, and it will loop around multiple commands. It won't be that hard. So, and we're going to make an integer random. Nope, it can't be random. Why? Because I want to make this as simple as possible, and every time we have to cast this as an integer. Math.random. And we're going to multiply this by 32, whatever. This way, if you guys have okay, look. If you guys have world borders, I suggest you just kind of plus it by 32. I mean, or you can add it by 3. You can just add it by 1. You know what? You can just add it by 1, just to remove confusion in here, so people can use this for the world borders. Math.random, and we casted it as an int, and we're just going to plus this as 1, and that should work. And we're going to make a new location. location class. Everything like this is a class. This is a class. Command sender is a class. A class has different variables to it. And that's basically like, okay, so location, I'll explain that more in depth right now. Wait one sec. Equals new location. I'm trying to think. So player dot, whoops, what the, do I have like a splinter on my arm? What the, okay, player dot get world. We're gonna get the player world, and we're gonna do rx for the x, and we're gonna do ry for the y, and rz for the z. We're just gonna do that, and we're going to I'm getting this error. Oh, whoops, forgot the parentheses. Okay, and we're going to player.teleport to location. It's as simple as that. Oh, this is going to be a problem, the Y. The Y is going to be a problem. The Y is going to be a big problemo. Oh, that shouldn't be a problem. So it will teleport them to a random location, and that location will just be of these random variables. Will this work? You know what? Multiply by 1. Multiply by 1. That will make more sense for the code. And it'll teleport the player to the location, and that's how you do random locations, really. You make an integer with a string, and you just cast the math.random as an integer, and you make a new location, and you just implement these strings. I don't know what they're called, I forgot. So yeah, that should be it for today, guys. I will see you in the next tutorial. This tutorial was really short. I just wanted to show you how to teleport a player to a random location, because I know a lot of people want to do that. Like, it's a common thing. And last tutorial, I want to get this away. This wasn't working. So we're gonna quickly implement a plugin manager. we're gonna register the event. So bucket dot get server dot get plugin manager, and register events, and we're going to make this for this plugin, and this, and it's gonna be in here. I made comma, nice, and that's how you register it. This is gonna be too long. This is way too long. Okay, so just for a better practice, guys, I'm gonna name this PM just for plugin manager. This is better practice. Honestly, it's better practice. I'm going to explain all my code once I'm done. So bucket dot get server dot get whoops dot get what was it? I just, oh no, plugin manager. Oh my god, I don't know what the register events. Nope, I don't need that. My god, shut up. Okay, so basically what's happening here is, remember what I did here? Where is it? Here. Remember how we made a shortcut? So instead of making it player sender, we can just make a player, so it's a string. And we basically do the same thing here. So instead of using bucket.getServer.getPlugin manager as you saw before, we can simply just do PM, and plugin manager will equal to PM. So that's that. And it registers the events inside of this class. That's what this means. This table has nothing. And here is where we make the player statement. We're getting the pan, which is random location. If the sender is not a player, then we'll send them this message: you must be a player to use command. And we'll return true, and forgot, return true. And so, and if it is a player, then it will make these integers, and it we'll make this location, and basically we're making a random location for X, Y, and Z, and then we are making the new location, and we're just going to input those, and we're going to teleport them to the random location. And that's that. Oh, and this will now finally work because we registered the event here. So that's that, guys. I hope you guys understood everything. I'm going to assume that you have the basic knowledges of Java, because I already put inside of the description all of the things that you needed to know. There's also wikis and stuff, so that's that. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.